Guardrail System Installation Guide. Assemble the guardrail, insert the access doors in the hooks, and secure them with the nuts. Install the base plate connectors and secure them to the guardrail using screws and nuts. Insert the guardrail stabilizers with a hammer and slide the guardrail in place. Secure the system by inserting toggle pins. Note that the access doors open towards the inside of the platform. For safety reasons, please read the instruction manual before setting up and using this product.